Think gardening season is over because it's December? Think again. Right now is the perfect time to plant crops and flowers that will thrive in the unique conditions of the UK's winter. Miss this window and you're giving up months of progress in your garden. But if you stick around, you'll discover exactly what to plant to keep your garden alive, vibrant, and productive no matter how cold it gets. First up, garlic. Winter in the UK provides the perfect chill garlic needs to develop those big, flavorful cloves. Pick a sunny, well-drained spot and plant each clove with its pointed tip facing up about 2 inches deep. Varieties like Solent White are tailor-made for the UK climate and will give you a fantastic harvest next summer. Onions are another must. Stick to overwintering varieties such as Radar or Electrics. These are hardy enough to withstand frost and ensure a strong start come spring. Prepare your soil well. It needs to drain easily to avoid rotting and space the sets around 6 inches apart. Want fresh, homegrown salads, even in the coldest months? Go for winter lettuces like Winter Density or Lamb's lettuce. Rocket and spinach are also excellent options, as they thrive in cooler weather. Use a cold frame, cloche, or even fleece to protect these greens from frost. Sow them thinly, water lightly, and you'll be harvesting crisp, nutritious leaves, while others rely on store-bought options. Broad beans are a classic choice for UK gardeners in December. Varieties like Aqua Dulce Claudia are perfect for overwintering. Plant each bean about 2 inches deep and 8 inches apart. Here's a UK-specific tip. Broad beans thrive in the country's damp winters, provided your soil is well-drained. As an added bonus, they fix nitrogen into the soil, setting the stage for even healthier crops in the next planting season. December in the UK is the ideal time to plant bare root fruit trees. The dormant season allows these trees to establish strong roots without the stress of heat or dry conditions. Whether it's apples, pears, or plums, make sure to choose varieties suited to your local climate. Raspberry canes and currant bushes also go in now. In the UK's mild winters, they'll settle in nicely and reward you with abundant fruit in the warmer months. Don't underestimate the power of herbs in your winter garden. Hardy perennials like rosemary, thyme, and sage thrive in the UK's winter conditions. If frost is severe in your area, pot them up and move them to a sheltered spot like a greenhouse or even a sunny windowsill. Parsley is another underrated gem. It's tough enough to survive the cold and will keep providing fresh leaves well into spring. Gardening in the UK isn't just about practicality, it's about beauty too. Add some cheer to your winter garden with snowdrops, winter pansies, or hellebores. These plants are perfectly suited for the UK climate and will bloom even in the shortest days of the year. Hellebores, in particular, are a standout. Plant them in a shady, well-drained spot, and they'll reward you with elegant blooms that defy the cold. Winter gardening in the UK isn't just about planting, it's about preparing for the future. Cover crops like field beans or mustard protect the soil from heavy rain and frost while enriching it for next year's planting. If you're leaving areas bare, cover them with mulch to prevent erosion and lock in nutrients. Straw, wood chips, or even cardboard are all great options. The UK's winter might seem unforgiving, but it's actually a time of opportunity for gardeners. Plant the right crops now, and you'll set yourself up for a thriving garden in the months ahead. Don't let December pass you by, get your hands dirty, and make the most of this season. Watch the next video to uncover more winter gardening secrets.